X-ray machine utilizes radiant energy. When you plug the X-ray machine into the switchboard, the electricity passes through the wire. The continuous passing of electric charges leads to the heating up of atoms. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy converted into radiant energy. The heat waves have radiant energy. Heaters installed at home. Heaters are essential to households that are situated in the winter regions. When you switch on the heating unit, the charges flow through the heaters, converted into heat waves that exhibit radiant energy. Mobile phones exert radiant energy. Mobile phones get charged with the help of electricity, and it contains some electric energy while in use. It is the reason when we overuse the mobile it gets heated up. Here the electric charges in the mobile get converted into heat waves, which consist of radiant energy. Magnetic motors. The magnetic motors used in the generators are also an example of electrical energy to radiant energy. The construction of magnetic motor generators consists of a particular element called neodymium magnets. These magnets are the primary source of radiant energy. When electrical current is made to pass through them, an ample amount of electrical energy gets transformed into radiant energy. The light bulb uses radiant energy. The light bulb is one of the significant sources of radiant energy and is also a primary example of electrical power to radiant energy. The radiant energy produced from these bulbs is in the form of visible light and IR radiation. The continuous flow of charges creates this energy transmission. The heat grill used for preparing food. When you connect the electric grill to the switchboard, the electricity passes through the wire. The continuous passing of electric charges leads to the heating up of atoms. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy converted into radiant energy. The heat waves make radiant energy, and it helps in preparing delicious grilled dishes. Radiant energy is emitted from a computer. The overuse of computers or laptops results in heat waves. When you use the computer and continuously work with it for several hours, we feel the heat produced by the computer. When the electricity passes through the wire, the continuous passing of electric charges leads to the heating up of atoms. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy converted into radiant energy. The heat waves have radiant energy. Radiant energy is emitted from the dryer. When you use the hairdryer, the heat produced by the dryer removes the wetness of the hair. The electric current passes through the wire. The continuous passing of electric charges leads to the heating up of charged particles. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy that gets converted into radiant energy and helps dry wet hair. Radiant energy is emitted from a straightener. When you plug the X-ray machine into the switchboard, the electricity passes through the wire. The continuous passing of electric charges leads to the heating up of atoms. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy converted into radiant energy. It is example of electrical energy to radiant energy. Audio signals. The music, talk, speech, noise, sound which we hear are with the help of audio signals. When you connect the appliances such as music system, radio, etc., to charge and try to play a piece of music, its continuous use makes the device gets heated, resulting in radiations producing radiant energy. Radiant energy is emitted from a heated stove. Even the electric stove that we use in general is an example of electrical energy to radiant energy. When the furnace gets heated up, it produces certain heat waves that make the person standing in front of the stove feel the warmth. These heat waves consist of radiant energy formed when continuous current passes through the wire. The working of the washing machine emits radiant energy. When the washing machine is used continuously for several hours, it gets heated up. the heat is produced through the heat waves generated by converting a continuous flow of electrical energy. These heat waves consist of some amount of energy called radiant energy, because of which the appliances get heated. Microwaves emit radiant energy. Similarly, when connected to different electrical sources in a microwave, a certain amount of electric charges passes through the wire. The heat generated inside the appliance helps to bake and prepare the food. Here the heat waves generated include several radiations. These are the result of electrical energy being converted to radiant energy. Television emits radiant energy. Even the television that gives us entertainment and removes our boredom gets heated up when continuously used. When charges travel through the wire, the continuous flowing of electric current leads to the heating up of atoms. In this situation, the heat waves produced result from the electrical energy converted into radiant energy. The heat waves make the television get heated up. Toaster emits radiant energy. When you use a toaster to get crispy bread, some amount of heat is produced by the appliance in heat waves that consist of radiant energy. The conversion of electrical energy makes radiant energy. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). Mention the disadvantages of radiant energy. The main disadvantages of radiant energy are given below. It creates an extreme amount of non-disposable waste. It will be harmful if produced in a large amount. Sun is the primary source of this energy, which can be hazardous to the skin. It is expensive to get in the large amount. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.